Another category is DenseNet. And this is actually, you can say extension of ResNet, but like in a more aggressive way. Okay. So what it's trying to do is, it's not just trying to create skip connections like at some of the places, it's trying to make these connections like in all the possible ways. And the idea is you create like these group of convolutions. So if this is 4, it means like you have 4 different convolution layers. And what you do is you pass on the output of this dense block to all the future activations, right? These green lines. Similarly, like if you look at this red one, red block here, this activation is actually going to all the future blocks. And how you pass them, you just concatenate, or you can add as well. It's up to you, right? It's just like you are looking at like these different level of feature activations at all the possible layers. Okay, then this is like just one dense block, and then what you do, you have like sequence of these dense blocks. Okay, so this is again just a variant of ResNet, and of course it performs better than ResNet because you have like these like dense connections, which makes it it improves the learning power of the model.